If you're using IDEOGRAM to create clip art, then stick around and watch today's video because I have 50 plus clip art bundle prompts which I want to share with you. Now, by the time you watch this video, I'm going to put all of these designs over on my public profile. So if we come up to here at the minute and go on my public profile, we can see I already have a few here, but by the time this video is live, all of these generations just here are also going to be on there. Now, what I'll also do is link my public profile down in the description so you can come through and check them out. Now, once you're on here and you like a design or clip art bundle that you like, then what you want to do is click onto that, and then you're going to see the prompt just here. Now, I highly recommend never ever remixing any of my designs which you just see here, because you're going to get very similar results, especially if you put the image weight all the way up. You're practically going to get the exact same design. Now, what I do recommend you doing is just using the prompt like this. So what you can do is just click onto the little plus icon. It's going to add the prompt. You can adjust, so you can even go in and change the colours. So if we look here, this is red and pink. You could do red and yellow, pink and purple, whatever you like. You can try and mix it up if you want, but then you click generate and you're going to get completely new designs. Now, if we take a look at these, you're probably thinking, why are these ones up the top like there and I have these in between? Well, I'm actually in the process of trying to create a clip art bundle prompt generator. So all these top ones just here were created with my generator, and then all the ones just here is what I created to train the GPT on. Now, I've actually been able to create the GPT without actually using any prompts. What I did was use a prompt structure, and it's actually going pretty well. Now, this is going to be the prompt generator just here. I'm still going through, trying to adjust and make better, but this is what it's going to look like, and hopefully this is actually going to work for Midjourney and IDEOGRAM, because I found a prompt structure which actually works in both. And then this is going to be really easy to use as well. All we have to do is simply put in what we want. Let's put 6 watercolour floral kittens. Then we click enter, and we're going to get a fully formatted prompt which we could then go and use, which is just here in Midjourney and or IDEOGRAM. And it also gives you the breakdown of the prompt as well just here. Now, this is only going to be available in my IDEO Mastery course, and I will be releasing it this month. Now, I'm not too sure at the date at the minute, but it's definitely going to be over the next couple of weeks or by the end of the month. Now, if you want to come and check this out before it's dropped, because we do have other GPTs in here as well. We have a t-shirt prompt generator and a sticker prompt generator as well. So if you want to check that out, there will be a link down below. Now, if we come back over to here, we can take a quick look at some of these designs, because some of these are just amazing. Now, I really like this one as well, this little clip art bundle set with the roses, the hearts, the arrows, and the bows on the arrows as well, along with these teddy bears. I think these just look absolutely amazing. Now, I've spoken about selling clip art bundles in a previous video, and some people had a misconception of what I actually meant. Now, I don't mean creating the design like this and then selling that design. What we'd do, if you did want to go that route, is create the generation like this. We do it all in one on IDEOGRAM, so we can get a very similar style across the board, but we create all of the graphics like this, then we'd upscale, and we'd also break these apart into each individual element. So that's what I mean, and then you'd have all of those elements in a folder, in a zip file, and that's what you would sell. But nonetheless, let's take a look at these. So these boots turned out really nice. What I actually did with this one was changed it up and did more of pixel art, which these turned out really nice as well, as you can see. But again, all of these, by the time you watch these video, is going to be on my public profile. So you can just come through and play around with it. Now these look really good as well. Love, that actually turned out perfect, no mistakes there. Love Mail, that looks okay. That one I probably wouldn't use, and this either. Now I could even play around with this even more, playing with the remix feature to actually make some of this a little bit better. But nonetheless, it actually looked really good. The hat does, the high heels do, or just one high heel, and the rack of clothes as well. I reckon that turned out absolutely amazing. Now I really liked these frames as well. I thought these looked pretty good. And if we scroll down a bit, I really liked these. Now I didn't mean to do it with this type of background, but that wouldn't matter too much because the thickness of this outline. So it wouldn't really be a problem taking away the background when we actually edit and format these. But I thought these turned out absolutely amazing as well. Then we have these type of boho rainbows as well, which turned out really good. Same with these teddy bears and hearts. These looked good as well. And there's even more. Now these Easter floral watercolour designs turned out awesome, as we can see. So if you want to use this, remember, come through. You can then click onto the prompt. It's going to add it up here. Then the settings that you also want, I'll quickly cover that as well, is Model 2.0 because that's the latest version. And then you want rendering to be turbo because turbo uses the least amount of credits. If we look here, it only uses 1. If we click on default, it uses 2, and quality uses 3. But I always use turbo and I've never had any issues. But that's what you want to do as well. And then, oh, this one turned out absolutely amazing. I know I've said that a lot on quite a few of these, but these look really good. Now, I really like these two dogs. These as well, just all of it, I just really like this. I found it quite funny as well, how it also put Cozy Winter Clipart set, because if we take a look at this prompt, there's no mention of that writing at all. It just says a digital illustrated cozy winter inspired clip art set, but it actually took that as well and then put it there. But that's not too much of a problem because we could still use all of these little elements. Now there's a few more as well, more floral, more roses, teddy bears, socks, hearts. They looked really good. And then if we scroll down just a little bit more, we can see the rest as well. Now these animals, these woodland animals, turned out amazing as well, as we can see. And there was another one. I can't remember which one it was. Oh, it was this one. I really, really liked this as well. With the basket, the hearts, the socks, the cup with the hearts on as well, the flowers, and just everything about this I just absolutely love. But nonetheless, that's going to be 50 plus Clipart bundle prompts that you can come and play around with. Just remember, they're going to be on my public profile, and I'm also going to link that down in the description. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.